Hi, and welcome to an introduction to Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a tool made by Google where you can log in and have a look what's going on your website, basically how people are using it, how many people are using it, where they are, etc, etc. We're just going to go through today a few basic ways that you can get into the system and have a look at what's going on. So this is obviously for beginners or people who've logged in once or twice and don't really gel with the system, and hopefully we're going to help you do that a little bit today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log in to Google Analytics. It's accessible via a web browser, and what we do is we go to google.com/analytics, get this page here, and click the sign in link at the top right, choose Google Analytics, and then enter your password. Once you're logged in, just click on the name of your website that has the little icon of a globe next to it, and then you should then be taken to a page that looks like this with a line graph on it. You're now at the sort of home screen for analytics to start exploring what's going on. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is how to find out where in the world, where geographically your visitors are. If you go to the audience menu on the left hand side, then the geo menu underneath that, and then click on location, you'll get a world map that looks like this. So we can see for this particular website, the hotspot, the darkest colour, is the UK. That's good because this is a UK business and they've got UK customers. We can look deeper into this. So because this is a particular local business, maybe I want to click on the city, which is then going to give me a list of the top cities. So you can see this website is particularly popular in London, followed by Liverpool, Chester, Manchester, and so on. It can often be very useful in Google Analytics to compare two periods of time. So for example, if you've had a marketing campaign and you want to look at the before and after impact, see whether that's increased your web traffic. It's very straightforward to do that. On the top right of any page on Analytics, you can see that there's a timeline here. So it says here September the 5th to October the 5th. It defaults to the last 30 days or the last month. If I click that, I get a drop down with some options, and there's a tick box here that says compare to. This will automatically compare it to the previous period. If I click on apply, see now I get two lines on this graph, one that represents the previous month and one that represents the current month. So I might think last month slightly outperformed the current month. Is there any reason for that? A particularly useful feature of analytics is finding out how people came to find you in the first place. Are they using Google? Are they coming via social media? Are they typing your website address directly into the address bar on their browser, etc. To do that, if we scroll down this menu on the left and choose acquisition, and then just click on overview, okay, you can see here for this particular site, the vast majority of people come via organic search. So that's searching for a keyword on Google and this particular website pops up. Then the other options in here, direct, so that's typing it into the address bar without searching or anything like that. Social, coming from Facebook, Twitter, etc. And a referral would be clicking on a link on another website. One of the things you're going to want to use Google Analytics for is finding out what are the most popular pages on your site. Very simple to find this. If we go to, on the left hand side, the behaviour menu, this is why we're doing this video. It's not intuitive. You wouldn't naturally look under behaviour for what pages people are going on, but there you go. And underneath behaviour, choose site content, and then underneath site content, all pages. You will then get a table with a list of results. Number one being your most popular page. You can see how many people hit it, and then just going down, you'll see the other pages people have visited. So that's our introduction to analytics. I hope you find it useful, and I hope it provides some useful insight into your website and your business and the way that people are accessing your website. If you feel like we've skimped on anything, missed anything, or if you've got any questions about the subject matter that we've been over in the video, then please get in touch and let us know. We'd love to hear about it.